Okay, hello everyone, this is Things to Know. Welcome to my channel. I will going to teach you in this video how to monetize your Facebook page. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe for more video tutorial. Step number one, just add this website facebook.com. Just add Creator Studio, then just click it. Then after that you'll be redirected to the Creator Studio home. In my case, I manage 13 pages. Okay, so I created 13 Facebook page. Then if for example you manage 2 or 1, so you'll see it here how many pages you've created. So let's go, and step number 2, you can check the monetization, this one. Okay, check that one. Then after that, check the eligibility of your page. If your page meet the criteria to use that monetization tools, okay, and there are some requirements that we need to know. Okay, so let's see here my channel RJM Travel, the page. Okay, so I've created this since 2012, and here there is a message: you meet the criteria to apply for these monetization tools. So we'll just complete the setup tasks for the tools that you're interested in using to submit your pages for review. Okay, so but before that, let me tell you the requirements on the Facebook. If you want to monetize it, there is a requirement. So let's see here, just click this area, then you can see the requirement here. Okay, so for example, this in-stream ads for on demand. Okay, so this is the monetization tools, and there are requirements needed to met, and it says here criteria not met. Okay, so let's check the criteria, view criteria. Okay, so let me show you my page. RJM Travel and Tours met that one requirement to have a 10,000 followers. So if you can check my Facebook page, RJM Travel and Tours, you can see it here that there is a record here, 10,000 followers. Okay, 10,000 followers or 10,000 likes. Okay, this one, so I have 11,656 followers. Okay, so that is just one of the requirement here. Next is create engaging content. So there is an eligible minutes viewed. So this is a requirement in the last 60 days. So that is just 2 months. So unlike on that YouTube there is that last 12 months ago, you need to meet the requirement of 4,000 watch hours. So here in this case of the Facebook requirement, they need only 60 days, so you need a total of 600,000 on-demand live and previously live minutes viewed, including replayed minutes but not including boosted or cross-posted or paid watch time. Okay, so this is the requirement, one of the requirement. The second requirement is the third requirement is build your video library, so active videos. So you have at least 5 on-demand or previously live videos published on page that are active and created by you. So these are the three requirements. So these monetization tools of in-stream ads for on-demand will be met, and I could get make money on my Facebook page on this RJM travel and tours. Okay, so that's just one of the tools that they gave us, those who Facebook page creators. So your this is my advice, or this is the advice of Facebook company. The second is the fund subscription. So what is it? What is this? Okay, so this is the requirement. So I have passed the first 10,000 followers, but the returning viewers, I have not yet passed that. Engagement, not I have not yet passed it. Minutes viewed, I have not yet passed it. Okay, then these stars are viewers can buy and send stars to you during your videos and earn 1 centavo from your Facebook for every star you receive. So if you have live, during your live, if you want to have a live broadcast and somebody posted the stars, and there is an amount of that, example in a Philippine peso, 30 pesos, something like that. So it will also help. It is one tool of monetization. If you have lives to, then somebody send you money. Okay, so this the third is the in-stream ads for live. Okay, let's see here. So I passed the 10,000 followers, but eligible minutes viewed, I have not yet passed it. Broadcast engaging content, I have not yet passed that requirement. Okay, so if there is a live and there is what you call that, these requirements will be met, then you'll have that privilege to monetize your channel. Then the last of it tools is the brand collabs manager. Let's see here. The brand collabs manager, I passed the first requirement, 10,000 followers. Engagement, I have not yet passed it. Minutes viewed and 1 minute views of 3-minute videos. Okay, so this just the 4 tools of 4 or 5. Is it 1? Let me check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 areas that Facebook will give you. You can have that make money on Facebook page, but you should meet the requirements. Okay, you should meet the requirements of this policy of Facebook. So that's all. And if you have questions on what you call that, other things on this video, you can comment below and ask questions. Bye bye. Thank you.